National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Guernsey County, southeastern Muskingum County, west central Noble County, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of South Zanesville, or 10 miles southeast of Zanesville, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Zanesville, New Concord, South Zanesville, Philo, Pleasant Grove, Cumberland, Norwich, Canalville, High Hill, Chandlersville, Rural Dale, and Bridgeville. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for Hocking County, southeastern Pickaway County, northeastern Ross County, until 8 p.m. At 7:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles southeast of Kingston, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Logan, Nelsonville, Kingston, Hocking Hills State Park, Star, Laurelville, Murray City, Adelphi, Gibbsville, Islesboro, Haydenville, Whistler, South Bloomingville, Union Furnace, Hallsville, and Carbon Hill. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for